Okay, children, good evening to all.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening.
See, my dear children, see, I have sent the homeworks to you yesterday. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
By
ma'am.
tomorrow, you have to, I think, if you did not do it, there is some more questions. I think there are 3 or 4.
We'll do.
How many questions are there?
Or 3 you give.
Okay. Okay, children. See, by tomorrow you have to do it. Okay, and I'll explain tomorrow. Okay, children. And in that exercise, there are some more questions. It is factorization. For factorization, you have to study the algebraic identities first. Okay, children. And in our
Yes, ma'am.
book, this algebraic identities is as separate chapter. Algebraic identities.
Yes, ma'am.
But NCERT textbook, all these algebraic identities and factorization comes under one chapter itself, polynomials. But in R.D. Sharma textbook, when you turn the page, you will understand that it is algebraic identities and factorization are two separate chapters. So polynomial chapter contains 3 small chapters. That is, first one is polynomials, and second one is remainder theorem, factor theorem, and polynomial. Second one is algebraic identities, and the third one is factorization. But in NCERT textbook, all these are in one chapter itself. So if you could understand, we can understand factorization, means before that you should understand algebraic identities. Okay, children. So 4 identities so far we studied. Do you remember one class I explained all those things?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So when algebraic identities, all these other than these 4 identities, we are studying 2 more new identities, two, three identities new. Okay. So that
Yes,
also
ma'am.
will contain, and according to that, those identities we are factorizing. Okay, children.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what is the first identity? You all know. First identity. What is first identity?
A plus B whole square.
A plus B whole square. What is A plus B whole square?
A plus 2AB plus B. A square
Okay,
plus
okay,
2AB
children.
plus B
So
square.
algebraic identities, we just write it. We write 4 identities and we'll do the related questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children.
So new chapter, ma'am.
No need of writing as a new chapter because it is a continuation.
Yes, ma'am.
It is a continuation. So algebraic identities as a topic you write as a heading. Okay, children. And you write the heading as algebraic. Okay, heading as algebraic identities. Algebraic identities. Algebraic identities. First one is x plus y whole square. X plus y whole square. You know it. That is x square plus 2xy plus y square. Second one is same but minus x minus y whole square equal to x square minus 2xy plus y square. Only middle term plus, instead of plus there will be minus. And the third one is x plus y into x minus y. X plus y into x minus y equal to x square minus y square. And fourth one is an important one. We need this for factorization. Fourth one, this identity we use more to do the factorization. Okay, children. And fourth one is x plus a into x plus b. this you have to study more, and it is x square plus a plus b into x. A plus b into x plus ab. X square plus a plus b into x plus ab. It is the most important one, and this identity we are using more for factorization. This identity is very important. Okay, children, write this. Okay, did you finish writing? Then we'll move to the questions. Okay, children, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shall I erase the board? Do you want to see the screen again?
No, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Children, write it fast. Okay. Now we'll move to the questions based on identities. Okay, children. And our first question is, I'm going to erase this. Okay, you have to identify which identity we are using. Okay, the question is, find the following products. Find the following products. Find the following products using suitable identities. Using suitable identities. Find the following products using suitable identities. Okay, children. And first question is x plus 3 into x plus 3. X plus 3 into x plus 3. X plus 3 into x plus 3. Okay, what is x plus 3 into x plus 3? It is not given directly. It is one identity. Did you recognize it? X plus 3 into x plus 3. What is
Yes,
a
sir.
into a? What is 2 into 2?
X plus 3 whole square.
Good. What is 2 into 2? 2 square. What is a into a? A square. What is x into x? X square. So if two numbers, two same factors came together, you will make a square of it, isn't it? So x plus 3 into x plus 3 is same. It is x plus 3 whole square itself. It is x plus 3 whole square. So the identity we are using here is a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. And you know, to expand it, I suppose you know it properly, isn't it? So x plus 3 whole square is, can you tell the answer? x plus 3 whole square is x plus 3 whole square. After finishing, will you tell the answer?
X square plus 6x plus 9.
Good. So it is x square plus 2 into x into 3 plus 3 square. That is x square plus 6x plus 9. X square plus 6x plus 9. Okay, children, shall I give the next question? X square plus 6x plus 9 is the answer. Turn on your videos, children. Vishnupriya, Surya, Haya, Hain, Steve, Pratyush. Okay, shall I give the next question? Listen, children. Here, it is the second question and write the question. Second one is x minus 3 into x plus 5. 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 Listen, children, it is the identity, the last identity, and it is x plus a into x plus b. Means both x is same, but the constant is different. X variable is same, but the constant in the terms are different. For that, we'll use the identity in a special way like this. See, x is same, and here the identity we are using is x plus a into x plus b equal to, can you tell the identity? Can you tell the identity?
X
Yes?
square plus
Can you tell the identity? Which identity is this? Fourth one.
Plus
x
a
square
plus
plus
X
a
square
b
plus a plus b into x plus
plus
ab. Once when I explained this, I told you already, because
Yes,
here
ma'am.
a and b are the constants. Constants. So what is a here? A. What
3
is a here?
variable
No.
3
Negative 3. Here x is the variable. Here in this identity, x is the variable.
yes ma'am
And here x, both x are the variables. Is the variable and a and b are constants. A,
Yes, ma'am.
b are constants. So you should pick those constants from the question. So what are a and b? Can you identify the a and b from this?
Negative 3 and 5.
Negative 3 and
85.
positive 5. Here a is negative 3 and b is positive 5. Clear? So you will use the identity like this. Okay? Okay, children? Here we will use the identity x minus 3 into x plus 5 is, x square is okay. There is no change. And here middle term, second term is, we are adding those constants. So constants are negative 3 and positive 5. So second term we will get by adding this a plus b, means negative 3 plus positive 5 into x. And last term you will get by multiplying this, that is negative 3 into positive 5. So middle term you have to add those constants. Don't ignore that negative sign, it is very important. So negative numbers you have to take as it is. So negative 3 plus positive 5 you have to add to get the middle term. And these two numbers you should multiply to get the last term. And our identity comes like this. X square plus negative 3 plus positive 5 is 2, positive 2, x minus 15. Clear? X square plus 2x minus 15. I hope you understood this. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children? Did you understand this?
Yes,
Shall I
ma'am.
give one more question to you? It is
Yes.
still a Surya? Surya?
Ma'am.
Okay. Shall I give one more question? Badra, did you understand?
Yes,
Badra,
ma'am.
okay,
ഞാൻ
Rizwan?
നിന്റെ പോടാ മോനെ നീ
Rizwan?
കളിക്കും കളിക്കും
Okay, okay, I'll give one more question. Okay, children. I'll give one more question. Okay, third question is, third one, x plus 6 into x minus 2. And fourth one also, x minus 5 into x minus 4. Both the questions you write and tell, find the answer. X plus 6 into x minus 2, and the fourth question is x minus 5 into x minus 4. Middle term you will get by adding constants. Last term you will get by multiplying those constants.
Ma'am, will you show the slide once more?
Yes, yes. Yes. Okay, children.
Can you show the question again?
Yes, yes, yes. This is a question. And which identity you are using here? Can you tell me the identity?
Last one.
Last one, last one. So how will you do it? X square plus middle term?
A.
Middle term by adding, right? Ashik?
6 plus minus 2.
6 plus minus 2. And don't forget to put that x again. into x. Plus,
Yes.
you have to multiply this 6 into -2. And the answer is x square plus 6 plus -2 is 4x. Clear? And minus 12. I hope you got the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
X square plus 4x minus 12. X square plus 4x minus 12. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Now we'll move to the fourth question. The same identity, x square plus add -5 plus -4. That negative is very important. If you ignore that, if you avoid that, you will your answer will be wrong. -5 into -4. And it is x square minus 9x positive 20 because -5 into -4 is positive 20. Okay, children, did you get the answer? Yes?
Ma'am, for the last one, we use fourth identity, right?
Yes, yes, for the you should write the identity. I did not write it. You have to indicate the identity which one you are using there. Okay, children, shall I raise the board now? Shall I raise? Okay, children. And I'll give one question to you. I'll give one question to you, and you have to again you have to use the identity, but it is in a different way. You all are familiar with this question. Evaluate 105 into 106. 106 using identity only. Don't multiply directly, using identity.
Chamilo.
Using identity.
Chamilo. ചമ്മുമ്മ എങ്ങനെയാ പഠിക്കും?
Who is this? Who is this? Which is that person talking like this? Yes? Who is that? Hen Steve. Okay, children. Evaluate 105 into 106. Do not multiply directly. Use the identity. Did you recognize which identity it is? 105 into 106. Do you remember? From 7th standard onwards, we are doing such kind of questions.
Ma'am, 100 plus 5 into
Yes.
100.
Here, okay, children, here we have to expand this 105 into 106 in such a way that there should be a common number. There should be a common number with the zeros. So 105, you should write sum of a number with zeros. Okay, so which is possible for that 105? 100 plus 5 into 100 plus 6. Is it correct? Now can you use the identity? Which identity? Which identity you will use here?
Fourth.
Fourth identity. It is x plus a into x plus b. X plus b equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. And 105 into 106 equal to 100 plus 5 into 100 plus 6. Middle number you will get by adding middle term. 100 square plus 5 plus 6 into 100 plus 5 into 6. And 100 square is 10,000 plus 11 into 100 plus 30. 10,000 plus 1,100 plus 30. 1,100 plus 30. And find the answer. Answer is 11130. $11,130. 11,130. Okay, will you do one more question? Will you do one more question? Okay, children, will you do one more?
Yes.
Okay. Do fast. It is sixth question. Sixth one, 102 into 103. 102 into 103. 102 into 103.
Finish.
Yes. Just check whether you got this. Yes, yes, yes.
10,506.
Yes, yes. 10,000. Check whether you got the same answer. Now I am doing it. Is it same? 10506. 10,506. Is it correct, Melvin?
Ma'am.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, children. So it is 10506. Okay, children, did you get the answer now? Yes? Did you get the same answer? 10,506? Children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children, shall I leave now?
Yes, ma'am.
It is time to wind up. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
So tomorrow we'll continue the same topic, algebraic identities. Okay, children?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children, bye.